during the campaign, you had Nitish pretty much alongside the Prime Minister. Now there's only Nitish. The numbers, if they are to go by, Nitish has been reduced to a junior partner this time around where the BJP is concerned, because the BJP poised to be the single largest party. The JDU hardly just about touching 42 right now in terms of leads. I want to cut across to Ankit before I go to our guest. Ankit is joining us outside Tejashwi's residence. Ankit, is there something that the RJD knows that we don't right now? Because you just heard Manoj Jha. He's confident. He says that in 2 hours, the result will be in favor of the Mahagathbandhan. Even if you look at the seats with margins less than 1,000, they don't go over 20. Right now, NDA stands at 129, RJD at 105.
Well, this confidence is coming from certain local channels which are at this point of time, Preeti, playing 120 to 114. 120 to the NDA and 114 to the BJP, to the Mahagathbandhan. And when he said that we are poised to become the single largest party, I just spoke, in fact, to a few of the confidant of Tejaswi Yadav. They are saying that we are going to cross the 80 mark. That is the information that we are getting, they are getting from inside. And that has put a little bit of enthusiasm as far as the workers of the RJD are concerned right now. आप कुछ अभी जो numbers हैं, अभी भी एनडीए आगे चल रहा है. आपके पास ऐसी कौन सी जानकारी आ रही है जो बाकियों को नहीं मिल पा रही है?
अभी मात्र 114 हम लोग का दिखा रहा है और 119 से 5 सीट का उलट कभी हम लोग आगे. हम लोग का कैंडिडेट टू कैंडिडेट हर एक कैंडिडेट से बात हो रहा है. हाँ. और लगभग हम लोग का 130 से 35 कैंडिडेट जहां टीवी वाले नीचे दिखा रहे हैं, जबकि मेरा कैंडिडेट 10,000 वोट से आगे है. उसके बावजूद भी वहां पे कम दिखा रहे हैं.
So they are banking on the information that they are getting from their candidates and from the polling centers. But the fact remains that this is a very, very tight contest. No matter how you see it, it is going to be a photo finish. It looks like it is poised for a photo finish. I mean, the confidence, even though in JDU camp is high, but their numbers are dwindling, and at least in certain local channels, RJD right now is leading as the single largest party with just a margin of couple of seats. But that is what the scene is in the RJD camp. Largely, Preeti, no matter which way it goes, two things are certain. It's not going to be a big margin, a big wave kind of an election for either side who wins it. And number two, BJP, whether they form the government or not, emerges as one of the big force, and Nitish Kumar as a diminished force. Even if the NDA wins, Nitish Kumar is going to have a very, very tough time being the chief minister, where already there are people from the BJP demanding a BJP chief minister. For Tejaswi Yadav, he's hoping that, these inputs that he's getting, and we are expecting that about 8 o'clock is when Tejaswi Yadav could come out and speak to the media. By then, they are hoping their leads are going to form up.
Well, the leads right now are in favor with the NDA, very clearly at that. 128 for the NDA, the RJD at 105. If you break it down, where the single largest party is concerned, the BJP right now stands at 76 seats. It's leading in 76 seats, and the RJD is leading in 70 seats. So yes, that margin could actually close in. But what it will come down to, will it come down to the wire? At least trends-wise, it doesn't seem to suggest. But viewers, this is an election which is exceptional. It's happening in the backdrop of the pandemic. About 55% of the votes have been counted. There's still about 40% votes to be counted of the 4 crore that recorded their ballot this time around. Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.